This latest court ruling all stems back to a February opinion issued by Attorney General Gentner Drummond. That opinion said state law forbid then Oklahoma Transportation Secretary Tim Gatz from also serving as the director of the Oklahoma Department of Transportation and the Oklahoma Turnpike Authority at the same time, essentially answering to himself.
It was very hard to hold government accountable when one person has that much power.
State Senator Mary Boren, whose district includes hundreds of homes the Oklahoma Turnpike Authority wants to demolish to build a new road, requested that opinion.
My constituents in my district were really concerned that he was the same person in charge of the turnpike.
Drummond's opinion led Gatz to resign his position. Since then, several other members of Stitt's cabinet, who also held leadership roles in other state agencies, also resigned those roles.
And unfortunately, they've been kind of caught up in some political games up to this point.
Governor Stitt was not happy about it.
And the timing of it is really peculiar. If you go back and you look at, he's been confirmed by the Senate twice.
In fact, he and some of his cabinet members sued over it. But late last month, a district court sided with Drummond. In his ruling, the judge wrote that he agreed cabinet secretaries are office holders and cannot hold multiple offices.
It is comforting to know that we still have systems in place where average people can bring the law to the court and ask the court to hold powerful people accountable to the law.
That was Spencer Humphrey reporting. The judge did rule that if someone does end up holding two offices, it's up to them to decide which one they'll keep.
Now, the governor reacting to the ruling, saying, quote, he's pleased the court held that AG opinions cannot be used to remove agency directors or cabinet secretaries. Goes on to say, we are disappointed the court otherwise felt confined to the AG's analysis, disrupting decades of precedent. We're told the governor is weighing his options here.